Hello, and today we are beating the clankiest Assassin's Creed game that I have personally played. So, enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and let's go. Ooh. Okay, my game almost crashed. Ooh. Okay, that didn't hit him. Okay. What? Why is it so clanky? First good jump of the game. Let's go. Many more to come. Ah! Oh, I'm loving this. What? Ah, holy tactic, man. How am I? What? This doesn't work. It's so clanky. You don't understand. What is happening? What? What? Nah. What? Nah. This game. Oh my god. The old games are so good. The old games are better than the RPGs. I'm stuck again. What? I can't even move. Why am I holding this guy?
Don't you ever stop howling.
What? What? Oh my god. What the? What the hell? No. What is this?
Brother,
Yeah, nice angle. What? What happened?
Which way did he go?
Oh no.
Tara, I don't see him.
Yeah, I don't see him too. What? Why no assassination, bro? Okay. Bro is not throwing rocks at me. Man, who do you think you are? Oh my god. That's Altair. Oh my god. Bro just followed that. What? Ah, nice. Thank you, assassin. Thank you. Where are you going? What? No. What? Holy. That was a actual jump scare.
I found that. I mean, someone gave it to me.
How is this guy targeting normally while getting beaten up?
We'll not leave here alive.
Ah.
Later. First, we fight.
Ally lost. What? What? Where did I lose? I can't play this game. Yeah, crashed again. What is that sound? Why is there a helicopter in my Assassin's Creed game? That wasn't the thing I was... How? I kill one guy and everyone knows where I am. Sorry. My bad. That was easy. What? How am I supposed to get out of here alive? Oh my god. Mess with me and you get the daggers to the face. What the? Nah, that's bullshit. Oh my lord. Oh my god, it's so slow. Sorry, Altair, not it. Every man who looks at me falls to their knees. What? Oh my lord. What is that POV, bro? What is that? Oh! Alright. Come here, shakalaka blaka. Ha! Okay, so my game crashed. Believe it or not. So I did not kill this guy. Let's go. Oh no. Rest in peace, my friend, whose name I don't remember. What? The clank is coming out. Oh. Yeah, this is cooked. I hate those courage fights. Why are they in the game? It's so pointless. Oh my lord. I can't move enough to make these tight corners. Can you please stay out of the cities?
Father made his choice.
Selim! Stop! Please!
Well, goodbye.
That has always been Minerva's domain.
What the hell is going on? Ah. Okay.